this project for me. Log into my instance of Salesforce, and what you're going to do, and it'll be in the email, you come up to the search, and then you hit Sentinel Manufacturing, and there'll be a few different things that will come up, but the one that we're interested in is the report. And if we click on the Sentinel Manufacturing report, you'll see here there's a list of 251 records. And I have them sorted by company name right now. So if you leave it at that, then you can just kind of make a note where you left off on that side of it. And what we're trying to do is capture information from their LinkedIn account. So if I come in here and I click on this link, I don't have to hold the control key down or anything like that. I can just click on that link, and then it will come up, and there's the individual. And if I up at the first thing we want to look at here is the top, so in kind of the about area, and if there's some information, I'm going to get you to copy it, Control C, and then come back here, and then just I hold my control key down, and then I click on his name, and then it will open up his record, and then in the description area, I can hit edit, and then I can go in and I can paste that information there. And then I'll go back and I'll also take a look, and this is kind of his resume area. And what I want to do is I want to copy kind of the first value if there's a lot of data there. So if this happened to be the first one, if he had this type of description up here, then I would just probably have copied the top part and pasted in there. But if it's blank, and then we have some data here, then what I want to do is just copy that data. Again, go into the individual and put it there. As well as if it turns out that maybe he's only got one sentence here, and one sentence there, copy those sentences and put them in. So if it's a big chunk of data, earlier, put it in. And then if it's small sentences, you can put multiple in. And quite a few of them won't have any information. And then quite often it will just show a little bit of information. And then it might have a little more down here where you click it on more and it opens it up. So ultimately in this particular record, what we're looking for is all of this information here. And then I can go ahead and I can save it. And then I'll just close that, close his LinkedIn profile. You can come back here and see that this one was populated. Then I'll go to the next individual, drilling supervisor. Again, I can see here he's got some description. So I'll come back over here. I'll click on his, clicked on the wrong record there. I'll click on his record, and then it'll open up. Let's give it a second here. There we go. Then I'll click on his record, come over here to the description, and then I'll copy his description information in there. And there we go. And then we'll go ahead and we'll paste it in here. And then I took it from the top, so I'll space it a couple. And then we'll come down here. I'll just say okay. And then ultimately he doesn't have something early up here. And then, but there are just kind of like 3 sentences, so I might as well just grab those. And then I could grab that information C, and then come over here and paste it here. This one, only 1 sentences, I don't have to put a space between them. And then come over here, and then come back here and paste that in. And then one more time. And then grab here, there we go. And then I don't need to see more positions. It says I could see more positions. That's probably more than enough data. Control, save it. And then I can close this one, close that one. If I want, I don't see it here, I can hit the refresh button up here in the corner. And then now I can see it. A lot of these won't have any data. So only put in the data where it's applicable. If you have any questions, just let me know.